You boys are charged with owing $100 in unpaid parking fines. How do you plead?
On my knees? May I approach the bench, Your Honor?
I'll allow it.
What the heck are you doing? Don't worry, I've got this. Now, Your Honor, we all know how this works. You go get yourself something nice and make these parking fines go away.
What? You're trying to bribe me with a quarter, 2 dimes, and 3? Ah! My eyes!
You've been maced, bitch!
My peepers! My seeing peepers!
I've been working on the gangbang all the live long day. I've been working on the gangbang since the early month of May. Can't you see my Peter blowing?
Boy, get your ass working! It is all your fault we're working under the cruel sun on this crappy chain gang because you had to mace the judge.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. He cried like a little girl.
Did you have to mace his daughter too?
Quit worrying, Grandma. I got a plan. Steady. Steady. Oh!
Ow! They released the dogs! If we did this, maybe run! Oh.
Let's climb this tree!
I can't climb a tree! Go, go, go!
This tree's got wood! What kind of wood? Hardwood!
Shh! Shut up! Oh, let's get on the ground and you can shoot the chain. No!
Quit moving!
No, you're gonna hit me! Ah! 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 Ah!
Great idea, Einstein!
Ow! Dang it! The dogs!
They must have heard your hard head hit the ground!
Or all your gunshots!
Now is not the time for the blame game!
Yeah, I guess you're right.
It's your fault! Run!
Ow! Ah! Ow! Train tracks! All we gotta do is use the train to cut the chains.
Suck train! Ah!
Ah!